What's up, guys? Doing a review for y'all on a zippo lighter. I'm new at this, so yeah. I'm gonna start doing reviews on some zippo lighters that I'm getting in. I got this one in the other day, and I love it so much that I thought I'd order another one. So, yep. It's a Jack Daniels Tennessee whiskey lighter. And it's a pretty good lighter. Haven't had any problems with it. Light's good. Perfect condition. And it doesn't come like polished or buffed or anything. It's like it's scratched from the beginning. And it's supposed to be like that. So yeah. And see, I didn't know when you get your Zippo that it doesn't come with lighter fluid. So I would suggest you get some when you're getting your Zippo. So yep. I may upload some videos on some tips and tricks on taking care of your Zippo and like doing some magic tricks and stuff like that. But yep. So